NASA just detected an unknown object near Jupiter's orbit as a discovery that raises scientific, astronomical, and existential concerns about the nature of unidentified celestial bodies in our solar system. Astronomers using NASA's space telescopes and deep space observation systems recently detected an object that does not match the characteristics of known asteroids, moons, or space debris. The object was first observed near Jupiter's Lagrange points, where many Trojan asteroids are known to orbit in gravitational balance with the giant planet. Unlike most Trojan asteroids, which follow predictable orbital paths, this object appears to have an unusual trajectory, suggesting it may be a new type of celestial body. Scientists are unsure whether the object is a previously undiscovered asteroid, a captured interstellar object, or an artificial space probe from an unknown origin. Some researchers speculate that it could be a rogue exoplanetary fragment, possibly ejected from a distant star system and temporarily caught in Jupiter's gravitational field. Another possibility is that the object is a long-period comet, with its highly reflective surface making it appear different from standard asteroid observations. If the object is a comet, it may have originated from the Oort cloud or Kuiper belt, regions filled with icy bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune. Spectral analysis of the object suggests that it contains unusual mineral compositions, raising questions about whether it could be a remnant of early planetary formation. One of the most intriguing possibilities is that the object is an interstellar visitor, similar to Oumuamua, which passed through our solar system in 2017. Unlike Oumuamua, which had an elongated shape and a highly accelerated trajectory, this object appears to be more stable in its orbit, at least for now. Some scientists are exploring the idea that the object may be an ancient moon or fragment of a planetary collision, trapped by Jupiter's massive gravitational influence. Jupiter, being the largest planet in the solar system, acts as a gravitational sink, capturing stray objects that pass too close to its orbit. Previous studies have suggested that Jupiter has a significant influence on space debris, acting as both a protector and a disruptor for the inner solar system. Some experts are considering whether this unknown object could be a relic from the early solar system, containing clues about planetary formation and cosmic evolution. NASA and ESA are working on further observations to determine whether the object has a stable orbit, a decaying trajectory, or an eventual collision path with another celestial body. If the object is confirmed to be interstellar, it would be only the third known interstellar visitor to our solar system, following Oumuamua and Comet 2I/Borisov. The mysterious nature of the object has also sparked speculation among researchers about whether it could be an artificial probe or a remnant of past space activity. While the likelihood of it being an extraterrestrial artifact is extremely low, astronomers are conducting radio signal scans and spectral imaging to rule out artificial origins. Some theories suggest that the object may have originated from a disrupted asteroid belt beyond Neptune, containing materials that differ from typical inner solar system bodies. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and ground-based observatories are now focusing on capturing more detailed images and chemical analysis of the object. If the object has an unusual reflectivity or a changing trajectory, it could indicate volatile materials on its surface, possibly hinting at comet-like behavior. Another possibility is that the object is a highly unusual captured moonlet, once orbiting another planet before being redirected into its current location. Jupiter is known to have over 90 confirmed moons, and the discovery of a new, unexpected object raises the question of whether our moon count for Jupiter is incomplete. Some astronomers believe the object might be a dark asteroid, meaning it is composed of primitive materials that absorb more light, making it difficult to detect. If this is the case, it could represent a rare class of ancient space rocks that have remained unchanged since the birth of the solar system. NASA is now tracking the object's motion over time to determine whether it will remain near Jupiter or be ejected from its current orbit. The discovery raises broader questions about how many unknown objects exist in our solar system, particularly in the outer regions where observational limitations exist. If future studies confirm that the object originated outside our solar system, it could provide insights into how planetary systems form and evolve in different parts of the galaxy. Scientists are also considering whether this object could be related to the hypothetical Planet 9, which some believe influences unusual orbital paths of distant objects. While the discovery is still in its early stages, the presence of an unidentified object in Jupiter's orbit reminds astronomers how little we know about the dynamic processes in our solar system. NASA's upcoming missions, such as the Europa Clipper and future deep space telescopes, could provide additional data on how Jupiter interacts with unknown space objects. If the object turns out to be a long-lost fragment of a planet or moon, it may offer clues about catastrophic collisions that shaped the early solar system. Some researchers are even proposing a small probe mission to study the object up close, similar to how NASA sent New Horizons to explore Pluto. The discovery has led to renewed discussions about whether more unknown objects are lurking near the gas giants, hidden in orbital regions that have yet to be fully explored. This finding also highlights the importance of improving space surveillance and deep space observation systems, as many objects in our solar system remain undiscovered. Ultimately, the debate is not just about what this object is, but about how many more mysteries remain in the vast expanse of space surrounding our solar system. The real question is whether this object is a routine celestial discovery or an indication of something new and unexpected in our cosmic neighborhood.